Good morning! Happy 1st of December! Happy one day! This is Sit Pansit! Dan, 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 dan! Ganon! Gising na kami. Ito na, prepare na. Kape-kape, breakfast, tapos make-up na. Ayun, yung aking husband-to-be. Ayun, busy. Sige, linis. Linis pa mo bago ikasal. Kita-kits uli later on. Watch lang kayo kasi maraming magaganap ngayon. Woohoo! Ganon! Okie-dokie, the sun is up. It's time for first appointment, of course. Makeup. Hair and makeup. Ayan, inaantok pa. Ganon. Kailangan maaga para hindi tayo malate, para hindi mabawasan ng oras sa aking pinaka-importanting bagay. Ganon. So, ayan, makeup na. Ayan, excited. Gaganda na ulit tayo. Hee! Ay, taas ng araw. Sakit sa mata. Ay, ganon. O siya, sige guys. Later ulit, ha? Nood lang kayo dyan. Home, sweet home. Tapos na ang aking hair and makeup. So ngayon naman, kailangan na natin magsuot ng mga abubot, ng mga accessories. And then, of course, tantananan, the wedding dress. Woohoo! Woot, woot. Ganda no, syempre. Ikakasal ka na. Ganon! Yee, later ulit. Woohoo! Okay, this is Sit Pansit. We are now out and about sa aming ceremony venue sa city. Ayan. So, syempre, busy yung ating husband-to-be driver. Ayan, ready na tayo. Kakasal na. Finally, 13 years anniversary and then kasalan day. Yee! What a good way to start our December together, celebrating it with a special day. Dito na tayo, early bird, and also it's not far from home. Yung aking husband-to-be, nagpa-parking na, kinukuha yung number para magpa-park na lang online. 9:35. Ayan. All good?
Yep.
So, ayan. All good na, all set. Bababa na kami. Mag-aantay sa labas. Siyempre, vlog, content, picture, ganon. Kasi ngayon lang to. Bukas walay na. Sayang naman ang effort at aming mga makeup, ganon. You ready to go, Mabeng?
I'm ready.
Let's go outside.
It's hot out there.
Oh, is
It's
it?
very hot.
Is it?
You may want to wait a bit longer.
Oh, sige, about 9:45.
Yeah.
And then, okay, sige. O, sige, stay daw muna for a while kasi nga bukas yung sasakyan tsaka yung aircon. Ayun. O, sige guys, later uli. 1, 2, 3.
I ask the persons here present to witness that I, Glenn Francis Guthrie, will take you, also more Batista Franca, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as I live.
It is! It's also you or what? You make him a husband.
I asked the person here present to see where Bautista from. It will take you to Glenn Francis Guthrie to be my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as I live.
Fantastic. And that ring is on his finger.
Yes!
So the two of you just look at those rings you just placed on each other's hands right now. And just remember this beautiful intimate moment that you've just shared with each other. Because Dulcie, you're a wife and Glenn, you're a husband now. So please have your first kiss in your adventure of marriage.
is over. So we are now taking photos na lang para souvenir. Ayan. Si Brady, yung aking darling, ayun. Yung aking mga kapatir, ayun, oo. Sige, kanya-kanya na, picture. Ngayon lang yan. Ganun talaga. Happy day. See ya. Bidal pa kami dito lang. Dito lang, no? Oo, dito lang. Okay, 3, 2, 1, cheese. Okay, one more, 3, 2, 1,
Jump shot. Jump shot. 1, 2, 3. Waki. Sino mo waki? Ang waki natin, ano lang yung ulo. Ang dami.
Kaya, laki na.
Ang dami na pala.
Pwede na yun.
Kailangan mo na talaga.
Mas Joan, ikaw na. Boto po.
Sige naman solo.
Next.
Waki, 1, 2, 3. Ganun.
Mikey.
Dapat hinagis mo hanggang sa mahal.
Finally, tapos na ang aming kasalan, celebration, uwian na. This is Dulce Franco. Thank you for watching. See you again sa aking susunod na vlog. See ya!